Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to set up subscription on TikTok. Maybe you want to set up subscription on your TikTok account and you don't know how to do that. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to do that. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we release more helpful videos like this on this channel. So without much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to click on your profile on the bottom of your screen. On the profile here, you are clicking on the three line on the top of your screen. And here you are clicking on TikTok Studio. You can see that the first option. Here you are clicking on subscription. Going for subscription, you can see that here. So here for you to set up subscription in your account on TikTok, you need to have at least 1,000 followers or 100,000 videos. Okay, you need to have 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers or 100,000 videos. So there is what you need to have before you can access subscription on TikTok. So here you are going to be having live access. You go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days, have at least 1,000 followers, then you can now join subscription. So that is it. If you are able to, if you already have up to 1,000 followers and you are able to go live, you can access live. If you come into the subscription option, you can now go ahead and click on join subscription. You can see that on the bottom of the screen. Well, for this account is not yet enabled for me to join subscription. So once yours is ready, you can now click on join. So that is it on how to join subscription on TikTok. If I understood the helpful, because of course to the very end of this video, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we'll create more helpful videos like this on this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.